In the world of personal blenders, this Syvio blender for shakes and smoothies stands out for its blend of power, ease of use, and thoughtful design. If you're on the hunt for a reliable blender that delivers both performance and convenience, this 600 watts personal blender might just be what you're looking for. Let's delve into a detailed review to help you understand why this blender could be your next kitchen essential. The Syvio blender is equipped with a robust 600 watts motor designed to tackle a variety of blending tasks with ease. Whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie, blending vegetables for a soup, or preparing shakes, this blender's motor ensures that it can handle the job. The blender's pulse technology enhances its performance, allowing it to crush fruits, vegetables, and ice quickly and efficiently. This power not only speeds up the blending process, it also ensures a smooth and consistent texture in every batch. One of the standout features of this blender is its ability to blend with precision. The motor's 600 watts of power are complemented by a well-designed blade system, making it capable of handling tough ingredients. Whether you're blending frozen berries or leafy greens, the Syvio blender ensures that everything is mixed to perfection. One of the key aspects of the Syvio blender is its user-friendly design. Operating the blender is as simple as pressing a button. The single-button operation streamlines the blending process, allowing you to focus on creating delicious recipes rather than fussing with complicated controls. The blender comes with two 20-ounce BPA-free sport cups. These cups are designed for convenience and portability, making it easy to take your smoothies and shakes on the go. BPA-free construction ensures that your beverages are safe and free from harmful chemicals, allowing you to enjoy your drinks with peace of mind. The Syvio blender features an advanced blade system that includes both a 4-blade cross design and a flat 2-blade setup. This combination allows the blender to handle a variety of blending tasks efficiently. The 304 stainless steel blades are known for their durability and sharpness, making them perfect for cutting through tough ingredients and ensuring smooth blends. The dual blade system is particularly effective at extracting nutrients from fruits and vegetables, ensuring that you get the most out of your ingredient. Whether you're making a green smoothie or a protein shake, the blades work together to provide a consistent texture and maximum nutrient extraction. Cleaning up after blending can often be a hassle, but the Syvio blender makes this process straightforward. Clean, simply add water to the blender, turn it on, and let it run for a few seconds. This self-cleaning function helps to remove residue and ensures that the blender is ready for your next use. In addition to the self-cleaning feature, the blender is also dishwasher safe, with the exception of the motor part. This makes post-blending cleanup even more convenient, as you can simply place the cups and blades in the dishwasher for a thorough clean. Safety is a top priority with the Syvio blender. It is equipped with a safety lock that ensures the blender only operates when the cup is securely locked into the base. This feature prevents accidental spills and ensures that the blending process is safe for everyone. The BPA-free blender cups are another aspect of the blender's commitment to safety. By using BPA-free materials, the Syvio blender ensures that your beverages are free from harmful chemicals, making it a healthier choice for you and your family. The Syvio blender comes with a range of quality assurance features. The manufacturer offers a 12-month warranty and lifetime technical support, ensuring that you have access to help if you encounter any issues. Additionally, Syvio provides 24-hour customer service to address any concerns or questions you might have. This commitment to customer satisfaction adds an extra layer of confidence when purchasing this blender. Conclusion: the Syvio blender for shakes and smoothies offers a powerful, user-friendly, and reliable solution for your blending needs. With its 600 watts motor, advanced blade system, and convenient features, it stands out as a versatile and practical choice for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen routine. Whether you're a health enthusiast, a busy professional, or someone who simply enjoys delicious homemade beverages, the Syvio blender delivers on all fronts. Its combination of performance, ease of use, and safety features makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.